Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna use the filter function available on Office 365 in order to solve this same problem that we used in the index and aggregate video. So in this example, I have a list of brand and model for this heavy equipment and also the bucket size. Now the input cell here is in reference on the bucket size. Whenever the user input the capacity, let's say 2 or 3, all the list of brand or model will be listed here, all the answers. So to do that, let's start with the filter. I'm going to write the filter in here, open parenthesis. It now requires an array. So my array is the model here. I want to return the name of the model, which is basically replacing the index array in our index and aggregate. Then comma, the include part here is basically our criteria. So our criteria here is if this range here, all the bucket size here is equal to the input cell here, and basically that's it. The if empty is optional. Let me just close it first, and that's it. All the models here are now being reflected, and you don't need to copy and paste it because a filter function is one of the dynamic arrays formula in Excel. So it automatically spills all the answer in the other rows on your cell. So that's it. And when you change it, all the rest will be updated. So what if there is no record on this particular source that you have? There will be a calc error in that. And in order to work around for that, let's complete the argument. If empty, let's say there is no record. I will input that and enter. That's it. The no record will appear instead of the calc. So let me just go back to this. Basically, that's it. You don't need to have the aggregate, the index, the rows. You don't need to copy and paste all of it. And you just only need the filter. So let's move to the next example that we have, a multiple criteria. So how the filter can handle multiple criteria. Let me just unhide this part and hide the rows for my brand here, and also the input cell. Where is my input cell? Unhide. Let me hide it again. And that's it. I'm gonna write the multiple criteria here for the filter using the brand here. For example, on this list, I wanted to have all the Komatsu with a bucket size of 2 CUM. So to do that, I'm just going to copy and paste this formula in here because it's technically correct. Then I will add the criteria, the second criteria, in order to do that, and close the first one here with a parenthesis, and then combine the second criteria with an asterisk and open parenthesis if this brand list of brand here is equal to your brand. You're changing cell here and then close parenthesis. That's it. Enter, and that's it. All the Komatsu in here model will appear. Komatsu model will appear. How about this part? And that's it. That's basically saves a lot of your time instead of using the index and aggregate. But again, it's only available on Office 365. If you have that, you can use the filter. And that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you're liking my videos, you can subscribe in my channel, and see you next time, and thanks.